Chickpeas are a nutrient-dense legume, providing a rich source of both protein and fiber. A single serving of chickpeas offers a substantial portion of the daily protein requirement, crucial for muscle maintenance and growth. The dietary fiber in chickpeas supports digestive health and contributes to a feeling of fullness. The high protein and fiber content of chickpeas promotes increased satiety and effective appetite control. Protein slows down digestion, leading to a prolonged feeling of fullness. Fiber adds bulk to meals, enhancing satiety and reducing overall calorie intake. Chickpeas can be easily integrated into various meals to aid in weight management. Chickpeas serve as a versatile and healthy base for vegetarian burgers and snacks. Incorporating chickpeas provides a healthy addition to a balanced diet.